Let's have a look at calculation of gross, tax, and net. Okay. The two income tax rates in Ireland in 2023 are given in the table below. So we have that the first 40,000 that the person will earn will be taxed at 20, and then whatever will be left over will be taxed at 40%. So let's apply that to a specific example. So Caroline gross annual income is 50,000. So like what we said, gross, that word means with tax or including tax, or very often it could be saying before tax. Yeah, so different version can say different things. So she's earning 50,000, so she will have that 40. So have 50,000, part of it, 40,000, will be taxed at 20%, and then balance, whatever is left. So what we have left here will be 10,000, and that will be taxed at 40%. And then we have that her annual tax credit is 3,550. Find out how much annual income tax she pays. So we are not looking for net income here. We are looking for, well, how much is the tax? So we take 40,000 and we multiply that by 20% or 0.2. We put that in our calculator and we get that is 8,000. Then the remaining 10,000, we multiply by 40% or 0.4 and we get 4,000. We add those together, that gives us 12,000. And from that, we take away tax credit, 3,550. Tax credit is, how will I say, like a top up. Now, I know we don't have any more phones with top up, but there used to be a mobile top up on the phone. So this is like a top up from the government. We don't have to pay that. As if it's paid, it's forgiven, it's okay. You don't have to pay that part. So that will be 8,450. That will be how much income tax she will pay.